Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different today. So, we'll get the intro out of the way and we'll see you in a second. Right guys, look who is here. We have Mr. CC Camfam.
Hey guys.
So, this video is mainly for you, isn't it?
It is.
It is. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around, I'm going to put the camera on you, and we're going to do a thing, aren't we? We are. Go on. Mr. CC Camfam has got a full motorcycle kit now, which means you're going to give us a little twirl. Ooh. This now means that Cameron can now come out on the back of the bike with us.
I can.
And he's going to start coming out with us.
Yep.
Which is great news, isn't it, mate?
Yep.
It really is.
Tomorrow is a biking weekend.
Tomorrow is going to be a test run, yeah, to
Yep.
see how you get on. We're going to go for breakfast, aren't we?
Yep.
And we're just going to see how you actually do.
Yep.
Is lift you, just put your helmet down a little bit. But, are you looking forward to it?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Definitely looking forward to it.
Yeah.
It's the first time you're ever going to be going on a bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can reach the rear pegs. Obviously, anyone who's saying about this strap here, tilt your head up. It's a ratchet strap. That's just a little bit that's going to be hanging off. But we'll be able to tuck that in there. But obviously, helmet's all on. Gear is, most of it is Frank Thomas jacket, Frank Thomas helmet, Frank Thomas trousers. And the boots are, I'm not 100% sure on the boots, but they are a motocross style boot. We've had to go for that style of boot for the fact of not a lot of brands make children's footwear. The smallest size we could get is a size 3, and they were female and they had lots of pretty patterns on. So we went for the motocross boot, as motocross do kids sizes, but helmet fits perfectly. Yeah. And the jacket is all, as you can see, is all thermal lined, waterproof, and great. Gloves, basic gloves, but they're children's size. What I will be saying is these little metal bits, they're just screwed in. Don't know if you can wear that out. We will be taking them off.
Just so I don't scratch Mr. Cartwheel's bike.
Yes, we're going to take them bits off just so you don't scratch the bike.
Yeah.
Getting on and getting off. But plenty of air vents on it as well.
Yep. And you call me Mr. CC Camfam, so I call you Mr. Cartwheels.
Yeah. So, plenty of vents, plenty of pockets, loads of pockets. Looks like a real miniature adventure style jacket. Pocket at the rear, loads of velcros.
Extendable arms.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look, there she is there, all tucked up.
I'm freezing.
Can you come and hold the camera actually?
I was tucked up.
So a great feature on this child's motorcycle jacket is, we all know that children don't last 2 minutes in clothes. Frank Thomas have come with this idea of putting this zip in and then it extends out to allow more room for growth. So as Cameron grows, the arms grow, and that I think is a great little feature.
And I feel really nice in there.
You are sorry?
And I feel really nice in there.
You feel really
and
nice in
comfortable?
that, yeah.
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 Now I know what my dad feels like. But he goes on white rides.
Yeah. And like I said, all
And me.
Yeah.
I am rocking the good old slipper socks, but we've got shoulder, elbow, and back protection in there. Back protection didn't come as standard, so that has been put in there extra. Helmet got sized and fitted correctly. Trousers, obviously just trousers. We've got hip protection and knee protection in.
And we got toe protection.
And you've got toe protection, yes.
You have got
And
toe
ankle.
protection.
So, it's only a very quick little video, guys. So, where we went to today, everyone knows who they are, but it was J&S Accessories in Leicester. Tony was the guy that sorted us out today, and absolutely amazing guy, a lot of knowledge, and he was very helpful for yourself, wasn't he?
Yep.
Yeah? You've had a nice day out? It's spoiled rotten, but now we get to go on bike rides, don't we?
Yep.
Yeah? So, I'll let you sign the video off.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.